Ever yawned just because you saw someone else do it? That's called contagious yawning. It happens because your brain is wired to connect with others. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons fire. These are brain cells that copy what you see, like yawning. Scientists found it's linked to empathy. The closer you are to someone, like a friend or family, the more likely you'll yawn after them. But here's the twist. Kids under 4 almost never do it. Their empathy skills are still developing. Follow Fact Wired for more.